Hello, in this jQuery video I am going to cover the this keyword or the this selector for selectors. So the this selector allows you to essentially select this particular element that has been triggered or selected. So in this case we've got this little div selector, got a couple of divs and a paragraph, and if we click on the paragraph nothing happens. I am not reloaded, I modified some of the code. As you can see, it's fine now. If I click hello world or second div, it detects the click, but it detects the click for both. But if we do this, that just says this particular element, not all divs, but the particular element that triggered this one, do something with it. So let's, first of all, I'm just going to console log it out. I always love doing console logs or, some sort of login like that, so I can actually see what's going on, especially when I'm learning. Very powerful feature. It's simple, but it's very powerful. Definitely recommend always doing this, even when you're developing. Great way for debugging. If I run it, click that, as you can see, if we open that up, we got the div, and it provides information about it with the actual base URI, and plenty of other information as well, such as height and the content. As you can see, the content in the HTML, the inner text, is not this. Whereas if I were to click on that one, that's triggered another one. And if I were to go to this one now, scroll down, the HTML and the text is different. So as you can see, it gets the particular one that is clicked on. And I'm actually going to cover all of the different sort of features that you can do once you've selected an element. But one of the things that you could do, like .hide, and this will merely just hide it. So if I run it, click that, as you can see, it hides the particular one that is clicked. Even though the selector is just applied to all divs, this is just applied to the particular div that triggered this selector. And you can do so much more, like change the HTML, apply CSS, animate it, do whatever you want. But as long as you know the underlying principles of what we just covered here, you're all good to go. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.